Y'all, I'm at Chappy's Deli on Carmichael Road, and I've gone in to place me an order. I found out they're now with Gigi's Cupcakes, and I want to film some of that for you all who have a sweet tooth. Here is Chappy's Deli. It's a nice, clean deli. And look at all the desserts they have through Gigi's Cupcakes. Oh, they look so good. I did purchase me a cheesecake with strawberry toppings. I don't know if that comes from Gigi's Cupcakes or where they contract that out with, or do they make it or what. But that's the dessert I ended up with. And they keep those over here. So I went over there and they said, choose your cheesecake, and they give you strawberry topping with it.
Hey y'all, this is Chain Breaker. This is going to be a quick one. I'm trying to hurry up and put something out. When I go over my videos, I don't know if I'm put this one out or another one that's old that I haven't put out. Y'all, I have footage, I just haven't put it out. And I decided I'm going to just shorten it as much as possible. That's what I decided. How about that? Look what I got. I got a coat called Ella because, of course, I didn't see my name on it. So what your girl gonna do? She got to get somebody else's name. And I like Ella, booed up. You know Ella. Ella May, that's her name, ain't it? Ooh, look at that. Y'all, I don't do coke that often. But all of a sudden, I'm on a coke kick. And once I get off of it, I'm through with you, coke, for a minute. I'm tired of you. I am tired of you. Okay, look. I didn't get anything, y'all. You know what? I thought I got the combo. You know what? Chappy's Deli, you gonna make me mad. Because I thought I bought a combo. But I guess you don't have your options of fries. You don't get fries, obviously. And you don't get your options of chips because you didn't even ask me what kind of chips I wanted. And I'm be mad if I find out later on I could have had a choice of chips. Because the lady that was serving me, she was talking a little bit too much for me. You're talking it, but you're not listening. Then the poor little man came back to me, you didn't get him what he was supposed to have. I can see that happening. Y'all don't try to talk at me. But I got cheesecake too. And I got strawberry topping. And I had to check because I said, homegirl, forgot my topping. It's going to be only popping. That's why a lot of times, y'all, when I do my videos, I try to do them in the parking lot if I can help it. Because something's going to be missing. 8 out of 10 times, something's going to be missing. Okay, let's try. Hold on. Let's try Chappy's hamburger. I never had one before. Which I never had a lot of stuff in Chappy's, but I'm going to start experimenting. It comes in a little silver thing like this. I got the hamburger. Can y'all see it? Lettuce, tomato, and onion. I didn't want cheese on mine. Cheese changed the taste, y'all. If y'all hadn't heard this story before, my nephew got me onto that. He would not eat cheese on his doggone burger, and I never knew why or whatever. So I just started saying, let me try cheese without a hamburger. And it changed my life. Anyway. Okay, let's try this. My mouth watering. Y'all want to look at it one more time before I bite it? Should do me a TikTok before I do it. But I ain't going to do it. I I don't like to do TikTok unless I'm spitting. I don't like to do TikTok unless I'm crunching or something. Okay, let's try it, y'all. Let's try it. Let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Chappy, you kind of reminded me of something. And I asked for that regular burger, y'all, and it came with 2 patties. You know, most time you gotta ask for 2 patties. This came with 2 patties. No, but come on now, Chappies. Stop playing. This burger is good. Let's try it one more time. Y'all, I've been missing out. Y'all know how you just want a burger, you want a burger kind of mind you at home? Next to Whataburger. This is it. Oh, this is it, baby. I see why Chappy Deli closed at 4 o'clock on Saturday, because I bet it gets slammed. I bet it gets slammed. You hear me? Oh, yeah. Because if I remember Chappy's Deli, and I'm craving for a hamburger on Saturday, I need to come early. But it stay open to 8 o'clock, Monday through Friday, I think. Don't make me lie. Y'all better look it up. Don't be sitting up there and taking my word for it, all this Google and everything going on. Look at them onions hanging out. Look at here. Look at here. They got Chappies on the napkin. Y'all, I'm in hot heaven. Y'all know I've been in Montgomery for 11 years, going on 12. I only been to Chappy's one time with some white co-workers, so I thought it was a white folk thing. I ain't gonna lie, y'all know how we prejudice like that. Y'all, I've been missing out. And now y'all, it used to be, when I came with my old co-workers, when you finish your lunch, you got a little miniature ice cream cone. If y'all don't get the Chappy Deli, I know something. Look it up. They got all kind of stuff, y'all. It has soups, salads. I videoed some of the stuff they had, but y'all better look for yourself. Y'all been trying to eat right. And when you're trying to eat right, and you get to get a burger, some chips, and a Coke, and some cheesecake. And then fizz again. One for the Coke lovers out there. Coke ain't give me no money, they need to. Because I did that. Oh my goodness. Y'all, the only thing missing home. I knew it was something missing, y'all. And that's why the burger's so good. Do y'all know, like, Whataburger, I don't think they put ketchup on their burgers either. This might be a new thing. No cheese and no ketchup. Y'all need to taste that burger like that. That is good. Give it a different taste. Y'all know I ain't gonna lie. These people are not paying me lie. Y'all know some people out there, they get paid to review and they may feel sorry for them. Y'all better catch me while I ain't blowed up. Before they don't pay me to lie. They really not supposed to pay y'all to lie, really. But I'm just saying, you might feel sorry for them because they paid you, and you may lie and say they're good and they're not. Well, I'm getting 0. That means I don't have no reason to lie. They don't owe me anything. I surely don't owe them anything. Because I already gave them money so they can be millionaires. So, I definitely don't owe them anything. No ketchup. That's what it is. I'm like, this burger different. Remind me of something. And that's what it is, Whataburger. Didn't I just tell y'all it's good next to Whataburger? Let me see if I can get a little light in here. I keep beginning to have a sunroof. Moon roof, whatever y'all want to call it. That's it, y'all. If y'all live in Montgomery and have to go way over there to East Chase to get a doggone Whataburger, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to do that anymore. Come. What's this road? Lord, don't make me lie. What is this road called? Now, I know darn well I know this road. I'm not gonna waste no more time because I'm gonna put it in the thing when I edit, because I know darn well I know this doggone road and I can't think right now because I'm hungry and I'm eating. Anyway, where is there another Chappy Deli? You know how to look it up. Like I said, Google now. Google Chappy's Deli, baby. If you want good cheesecake with strawberry topping and a hamburger, and they cooked it fresh, y'all. I had to wait on it. They cook it fresh. I'm looking at the sign now. Carmichael Road. Chappy's Deli on Carmichael Road. They gotta have another one. And if y'all don't Chappy's Deli, shame on you. Cause this is the one I came to with my coworker, so I don't know of any other one. If they don't have another one, I'm about to go up on them like I did Wingstop. And I ain't been back to Wingstop since I fussed at them, but Wingstop I did used to visit the one on Atlanta Highway. I'm just spitting. And I visit the one on Barton Road. So I'm trying to visit all of them, honey. I got to visit that one on Atlanta Highway down there going toward downtown. I haven't visited that one yet. We ain't stopped too scared to go in the hood. I don't blame them. But let me tell y'all my secret. We ain't stopped. If you ever think about coming to the hood, let me tell you what you do. Put you some bars on any glass you have on your business in the gunk. Block your doors, the doors that they take out trash or whatever is. Put one of them old-fashioned wood things that block. You know how the wood thing that block the whole door. You can't kick it in. You need to get one of them. And if I was you, I would only deal with drive-through. I'm gonna have nobody coming in, baby. Nobody come in. Only drive-through. Walk through, whatever you want to call it. But you won't be coming up in there. And I would have bulletproof. I ain't lying, y'all think I'm playing. But I promise you, Wingstop, you will make some money. You hear me? And Wingstop, if you ever do that, like the one on Bond Road, you beside Pizza Hut, I'm gonna tell you something. That's a wonderful combination. I love the personal size pizza. And get me some Wingstop wings. You talking about hog heaven? Put the two together in one store. You know they say they're starting to do that now, so go ahead and do it, Wingstop. Merge with Pizza Hut. Stop playing. And y'all come in the hood and just have a I'm thinking about it because I'm not about to do it. Have it where you can put the food right here and slide it up and tell them to put their money down right there and slide it towards you. I'm telling you. In the gum to be safe. I ain't gonna lie. Bulletproof, no entry, locked doors with a thing on the end of it, piece of wood to block it. And matter of fact, don't leave no money in there. I would. Now, just gave all y'all an idea business-wise. Because I'm telling you, if you go to in the hood, you're going to get robbed. They robbed the liquor store. Y'all can tell you getting old. Let me tell you why. I thought I heard a noise, right, y'all? It sounded like my phone. I'm recording on my phone. Jesus, take the wheel. Take the wheel, Lord. Take the wheel. I can't do it. Y'all, this is the best meal I had in a long time. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all can talk about fat people all you want. It's not just the fat people, it's greedy people. You can be skinny and greedy. Mm-mm-mm. You can talk about greedy people all you want. You see, I'm in the hood. I be looking around. I ain't playing. I'm not playing with y'all in the gump. Not playing. Here's the cheesecake. Can y'all see it? Give you some whipped cream over there on the side. Look at that. You see it? Mm-hmm. And I watch you put. Look at that. They just too fancy for me. Got Chappy did a little stick on there. Struck. Y'all need to stop. All I know is you good like I thought you would. Better not have all this fancy stuff on here and not be good. But see, I already know you good because I done had strawberry cheesecake. And I love you, Chappy. I love you. You go to Publix, you gonna get some cheesecake, but you ain't gonna get the strawberry topping. You're not gonna get this topping. Captain D's used to have this kind of topping. I don't know if they still do or not. Probably not. I'm telling you something. Some people serious about that cherry topping. I feel like something fall. But I'm serious about the strawberry topping. Stop playing with me. Look. Look at here. Look. Stop playing. I'm not gonna eat it all, but if I did, it's my business. I'm just gonna taste some of it for right now. Are y'all mouth watering like mine? Look. Ooh, don't say I ain't never gave you anything. Ooh. Chappy Deli, you need to look me up and get me paid, because, baby, I'm putting you on the map as much as I can. This strawberry cheesecake is the bone.com. I don't know where they get it from. They probably didn't make it. Who knows? But let me tell you why I said that. Because how about they got Gigi's cakes in here? Gigi's cupcakes. If y'all didn't know that, now you know. I brought it to you first. Gigi's Cupcakes is in Chappy's Deli. But to me, they ain't got nothing on this cheesecake. I'm sorry, I ain't never had y'all before, but I don't even want to try you. I'm afraid. This some good cheesecake, y'all. See, it's still some there. I finally found one thing my daughter didn't like, and that's cheesecake. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all another swig. That's what we say in the South, another swig. And I'll see y'all on the next one. God bless you and your family. Keep your head up and keep your love up.